Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your CashApp account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to log into your CashApp account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in cash.app like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for CashApp login like this and hit enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see the sign into your account by CashApp itself. Click over there, whereas on the first result or the first tab, you can see you are on the home page of CashApp. Now to log into your CashApp account from the home page, on the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login button available over there. Click on login, and you'll be directed to this login page or the sign-in page of CashApp, as well as this one is also the login page of CashApp from the Google Chrome. Let's close one of these. Now to log into your CashApp account, you'll be required to enter your email ID or your mobile number over here, which you had registered on CashApp at the time of creating your account like this. And after that, after this request sign in code button appears, click over there, and a verification code will be sent to your mobile number or your email. Then after that, you'll be shown the box to enter your code over there, and you'll be able to sign into your CashApp account. And there guys, this is how you log into your CashApp account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.